friends! It's me, Lulu. Today, we're going on a nature adventure. And look! A red ladybug came to say hi. Wow! Look at this bright red flower! Red is such a happy color. Green is everywhere in nature, like these big green leaves. Green means life and growth. Look! A yellow butterfly flying so gracefully. Yellow is a happy and warm color, like the sun. Blue is calm and cool, just like this peaceful pond. I love the blue color. It makes me feel relaxed. Orange is bright and cheerful, like these pumpkins. Orange makes me think of fun and excitement. Purple is a royal and magical color, like these grapes. Yummy! Purple tastes sweet and special. Pink is soft and gentle, like these pretty flowers. Pink makes me feel happy and calm. Brown is warm and cozy, like the earth beneath our feet. Brown helps plants grow strong and healthy. Thanks for joining my color adventure. See you next time for more fun adventures with me, Lulu. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Lulu's wonderful world. Are you ready for an adventure?